Babe, check this out. Babe. Babe. Jason, can you not hear me?
What?
I was just in there calling you.
Oh, no.
Oh my God, you need to get your hearing checked.
I'm old. Hey everybody, MidLife Draftee here. Today is going to be a fun one, or a depressing one, depending on how you look at it. Because today, we're going to find out how old your ears are. So if you didn't already know, as you get older, you start to lose hearing in the higher frequency ranges. And it's actually quite startling to see, or in this case, hear the difference between somebody who is 20, 30, 40, 50, and on up. So to start things off, I'm going to play an audio file that has a specific number of tones. And for the best results, you probably want to get yourself a pair of headphones. So if you don't have a pair, pause the video, grab them real quick, and come on back. Got them? All right, let's start. So how'd you do? Let me know in the comments how many tones you got. Now, would you believe that there are actually 7 tones in that file that I just played? Well, if you're younger, you believe me 100% because you probably heard them all. But the older you get, 30, 40, 50 and on up, you probably heard less than 7 and you think I'm full of shit. So let's try it again. But this time I'm going to put in the frequency and the age so that you can see how you compare to the average. You ready? Here we go. So how'd you do that time? Were you above average, below average, right in the middle? Let me know in the comments below. Me, I usually drop out around 13,000, 13,500, somewhere in there. So it's right there for my age. So that's it. Just a little friendly reminder that we're all getting older. And if you liked the video, consider subscribing to the channel and giving it a like. And why not share it with a friend so you guys can compare results? Until next time, thanks a lot. Bye. And now there's a chainsaw, there's the water guys, there's Harley Davidsons going by, somebody showed up with a semi in front of my house on a random road out in the middle of nowhere. I thought I lived in the country. Apparently I live dead center in where everybody wants to make noise. Sometimes this is hard work.